Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our new and improved dome light lens for the 64 to 72 Ford pickups. Add a touch of elegance to your truck's interior with our meticulously crafted chrome-plated bezel, giving that timeless look you love. Say goodbye to dim lighting. Our advanced clear frosted polycarbonate lens not only resists heat better than before when using brighter bulbs, but it also lets more light shine through, ensuring improved visibility. Upgrading is hassle-free. The improved dome light lens and chrome bezel fit perfectly, working just like the original, saving you time and effort. Experience the transformation inside your truck. The new clear lens creates a brighter and cozier cabin, enhancing every ride. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.